Your home is an investment. Protecting your home is very important. A roof goes onto your home, and putting something on your home that's going to last is very important. It protects your loved ones, it protects your most precious and valuable things that you have inside your home, and it adds beauty to your home.
Today we're at an IKO manufacturing facility. We're going to be doing a lot of quality testing to ensure that our shingles are made with good quality. So we have SOPs in place, which is standard operating procedures, and that makes sure that every facility is doing the same amount of testing. Also, the same equipment is used. Every IKO plant has a lab facility. We can check the quality of our shingles every hour, every shift, make sure that from the beginning of making a shingle to the very end of the shingle complies with quality. We check everything that comes in from the door. Each area on the line has quality checks as well. So we're ensuring from the time the fiberglass roll is put onto the line to the time it's wrapped to the time actually it's put onto a truck that it meets our quality standard guideline.
We put a lot of time, a lot of work, a lot of care into making this product. A lot of people have no idea what it takes to actually make and keep the product up to standard. But we do it, and we're gonna make sure that IKO looks really good on your house. I can ride by in a car and I can say, oh wow, that looks like a Dynasty. That's a Cambridge, or we make that. I can look at a shingle and tell that I put my hands on it.